Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Hey guys, I just have a quick little unbagging today, and this is my Drills and Chills canvas. She is a biggin, so can you see all her sparkle? Isn't she gorgeous so far? This is for Drills and Chills 2020. This is Here Comes the Bride from Mandie, Manzano, and Diamond Art Club. I'm loving how this is turning out, and I was gonna hang it up before I did this, but I thought it would be perfect because this unbagging is more sparklers, and as you can see, I don't know if you can even tell, but there's a lot of sparklers added into this canvas on top of the normal already amazing drills that they offer, but I've added some more, so yay. So anyhow, these are more sparklers, and I thought I would do a quick video and show you what I got. I told TeeMaw in the Drills and Chills thing, she had said something. I'm like, I order like twice a month from you, so at this point I told my friend Abigail, who is Abigail Marie. At this point, I think a drug habit might be a little bit cheaper. I just am obsessed with her sparklers. So they always come in this really pretty organza bag. I have a bunch of them, and I did get one of the bead tray, the mats, so that way when I stick it down, it's not going to get stuck. And of course, I picked this turquoisey teal color because it's my favorite color. And they always include a little handwritten note that says thank you on your packing slip, and like always, it's a handwritten thank you note on your invoice thanking me for my order, and the sparkler sticker, the holographic sticker. Love those. So what did I get this time? So I got these bright green squares, and they're from my other Drills and Chills canvas, which is a square from Evermoment, and I wanted to bling out the eyes. I probably need like 15 drills for them, but that's not the point. I'll use them in something else. And I also got these like steel gray ones that I really liked that I'm also going to use in that canvas. So those two are for the other one that I'm working on. I'm going to actually try and zoom you guys in a little bit because my camera's kind of far up right now. That gives you guys a little better view. So then I got some more of these turquoisey green ones. I really like that one a lot. It's a really pretty color. I got more of these, which are open, and I don't want them to spill everywhere. They just weren't sealed, like one little super tiny section, and now they're gonna go nuts. But none of them spilled out, so we're good. I just don't want any of them to spill out because knowing my luck, they would be everywhere. And even though this is covered up, I somehow would manage to get them all over there. So I don't know if you can see the color of those, but they're really pretty. And I don't know if you can hear my dog chewing on her toy, but she's super duper loud with it. These are really light purplish pink, like a dusty rose, I think is what they are, but I'm gonna go with something like that because I don't remember for sure what I have the invoice right in front of me so I could tell you exactly what color those are. Totally didn't even think about that. So we're gonna I'm going to show you guys before I do that. So I don't know if you can see how light. They're a really pale color. They're really pretty in person. And then I got Purple Rain sparklers because I've seen other people like Maritza unbox these. They're gorgeous in person. Like prettier than I could have even thought. They have some yellow, purple, some teals and greens in them. They're gorgeous sparklers. So that's what I got. So these are called Blue Violet Medium. These are violet. These are sea green, very dark, and then steel gray, and then chartreuse, I think is how you say that one. So that's what I got this time, and I'm super excited for those. And I don't know if you guys are following the Instagram for Drills and Chills, but, and I know my camera's going crazy, but I haven't started this canvas yet. This is going to be after I finish that one, but that's the image that I unboxed a couple weeks ago, and I already got the oranges for in here, but these two are also going to go into that one. So I'm really excited to get that one done too, or get that one started, because I think it's going to be really pretty. And these I got because I saw them and they're beautiful. I don't have a exact location or place anything to put those on yet, but I'm sure I'll find something. So that's what I have going on today. As always, like I said, this is a short one. I just wanted to show you my sparklers because they're so pretty, and I just think everybody needs more sparkle and shine in their life. So as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I upload a new video. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye guys.